Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much for returning to watch my video. Now, I'm sure many of you have wondered, well, many of you that are not rich, I'm sure you've wondered what it's like being rich, what it's like being as rich as Elon Musk, to be specific, because he's the richest man. He has all the money, he has all the things, all the companies in the world, basically. He literally owns everything, this guy. And I'm sure you've wondered, maybe not, what he does, like what he does outside of his work, what he does outside of what makes him money, and what he thinks of the fact that he's rich, what he thinks of the fact that he's literally the only man who can buy us all in the world, basically, the only human being who can buy us, and literally bow down to him and be like, okay, you can take whatever. But he says he is not rich. He says he is actually poor. When I saw this, I was like, this man must be crazy. I know that most of his money is obviously tied up in stock and whatever, but he can't be poor. But he keeps insisting that he is poor, he is cash poor, because if he needed a billion right now, he wouldn't get it like at this very minute. He would need to go through certain channels to be able to get that much money. But the guy right now is literally the first person to be worth over 800 billion. That is a lot of money. And he has 4 baby mamas and 14 children. 14 whole children with 4 different women. This is another Nick Cannon right here. And I don't see people complaining about it a lot, but they're complaining with Nick Cannon, which, as much as he has all this money, where is he getting the time to focus on his kids and give them attention and all of those things? The same complaints we were having with Nick, that he has the money, but then when are the kids getting the attention? It applies to him as well. Like, he might have 100 nannies, but then when and where does he get the time to focus on his kids? Some of these things, like the babies, the reports that are saying he has 14 babies, some of them are saying alleged, some of them are saying it's definite. He's been listed, there's reports online that say he had 4 different women, like obviously over 4 different times. And then he had children, some 4 children each, 3 children each, 1 children with each woman and whatever. But then that is a lot of children. With that kind of money he can afford, clearly. But then emotionally, I'm quite certain he can't afford to be everywhere these kids are all the time. But if these are really his kids, as the reports are saying, they're really beautiful, to be honest. But I would like to know what they think and how they feel having a father like Elon Musk. To be honest, I find it very interesting. I find the lives of the rich people, like the filthy rich people, very interesting, in that they always make everything light. They're either very mellow, very down to earth, or they are over the top, very spendy, very flashy, and all of those things. And you wonder how they actually live their actual, and how their kids feel, because to be this rich, you have to be all over the world all the time, meaning you don't have time to spend with your family. So that means you don't get to spend time with your kids. So they miss you, basically. Yes, you are a father of the nation to everybody else in the world, but to them, they miss you. They don't even know you at times, because you're always all over the world. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section down below. What you think about his wealth? What do you think about the fact that he says he's poor because he has $800 million? Let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next video.